On today's adventure, we're going to replace the valve cover gasket. First thing, take off the cover. And you're going to want to take out the coils. So unplug all those connectors. Take out that 10, that 10, that 10, and that 10. And they just pull out. So I'm going to do that, and we'll get back. Alright, coils are out. There's also two 10s right there, that you take out, put aside the harness, and then I'm going to take this hose clamp off. Take the hose off. So, take that off. And then if it's not broken, you get your clip pliers, pull this out, but it's already broken. You gotta do this hose. Pull that off. And now, you see these 10s? That, and that. There's 4 inside, and I forget how many outside, but you can see these 10s here. Right, there is a total of 18, 14 on the outside, and then the 4 inside. Once you get all them out, you can then start to pry this thing up, and you may have to like get down in here somewhere, get a screwdriver and get it started, which I'm gonna do. Maybe, yeah, see it's coming up. And then usually once you get it started, there it just pops. And then let me pry the other side. I have to use my other hand, so let me yank this thing out and I'll show you what it looks like. Here is what she looks like. I've already went ahead and cleaned up the edges, so it's ready to go when I'm ready. And if you're going to change spark plugs, I mean, they're right there. Super easy. So, new gasket. I'm just going to, I already pressed these in. So I'm going to press the rest of it in, and then we'll throw it back on. Alright, back on. So these bolts have shoulders to them, so what I like to do is, because it helps locate it, is like I would hand tighten this one down, that one down, that one, and then that one, just to make sure it's centered. Then you can really do whatever you want as far as the rest of them. But I'm sure the torque spec on these is somewhere around 6 or 7 foot-pounds. But I also wouldn't use this thing on obviously max power either. So I'm just going to run them down by hand until I feel that they're good. And that'll be where it lives. And I am going to actually, there probably is a process for which ones to do first. But I'm going to start with the center in the middle. So I'll do like this one, that one, that one, then that one, and then I'll do it from the outside, starting the centers and just work out. And then once I go around once, or in or the center and then out once, I'll go around to make sure everything's tight, and then I'll put it all back together. Alright, that's it. Just put your cover back on. Make sure you've got your hose and clamps, or both of them, on. Put the bolts back in for the harness. Make sure the harness is clipped in. I ended up going over the valve cover, I think 3 times. Just making sure everything was loose. I cleaned up the back side of the block, which you can't really see too well. But that's it. Throw the cover on. Or if you want, start it up. Make sure there's not going to be any leaks, but I've already started it. It's good to go. Keep driving. Till next time.